I believe in music the way some people believe in fairy tales. What I hear came from my mother and father. Once upon a time, they fell in love.
What are you looking at?
Tonight the sky
I have to go.
Let me walk you home.
No, it's complicated.
Hey.
reminds me how you love.
Listen to me.
Dad.
You have to give the baby up.
Walking through winter time.
Somewhere inside me, I know that they always wanted me.
Where is he?
Sunshine.
How long have you been here?
11 years and 16 days, and I've been counting. The music, I thought if I could play it, they would know I was alive and find me.
We're never gonna see your parents again.
If they don't find us, we'll just have to go find them.
What's the point in singing? She's not gonna hear me.
Can I help you? I'm trying to find my son. Name? I don't know.
You gotta love music more than you love food, more than life, more than yourself.
Remember Mozart? He was like a musical pod.
Prodigy.
Exactly. Well, I have one of those, and he's living under my bed.
Why is it so important that you want him now?
I've always wanted him.
The #1 heat wave, August Red!
It's like someone's calling out to me. Only some of us can hear it.
Only some of us are listening.
I know it sounds crazy. I could hear him. I swear I could hear him.
Let me out! Let me out! This is him.
You know what music is? Harmonic connection between all living beings.
It's all around us. All you have to do is listen.